Everyone heard you arguing with someone.
I was fighting with Stacey's friend.
With who?
Stacey's friend.
Some douchebag?
Did you get your food?
Huh?
Did you get your food?
No. I lost all my belongings.
You what?
I lost all my belongings.
You lost your belongings? Where?
I sold them.
You sold them?
I got money.
You got money?
I got money in my pocket.
Can I have money? Yeah?
You want money too? Jacob?
Sure.
Okay.
How much did you make?
About 1,000.
What happened in the What happened in the restroom?
Okay, there. I stopped.
What happened in the restroom?
Somebody threw up.
Who was that?
You?
Me? I'm so untouched.
You threw up, Shelly? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You did?
Did you smell it?
No.
Did you go into it?
No. What did it smell like?
Like roses.
Like roses? Mm-mm. Did you just throw up a little bit?
A lot.
A lot?
The whole Christmas in it.
What did it taste like?
Like wine.
What were you arguing about?
I forgot.
You forgot?
I kept saying names, they heard you.
You're being loud.
You serious?
Yes.
Didn't I was saying something? What did I say?
The neighbors called the cops.
Yeah.
I hope so hot cops come.
What?
I hope so hot cops come here.
What did you say?
What?
I hope so hot cops come here.
What is
I hope they call some hot ones.
Shelly, I can't understand you.
I said I hope they call some hot ones.
Oh. Why? What are you going to do to them?
You'll see.
I want to know.
Yeah, you do.